Welcome to Plus. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple accounts in the Roblox app. You can add multiple user accounts in Roblox app so that you can switch between them easily and quickly. It will save a lot of your time if you have multiple accounts in the family. Okay, so to do that, click more icon or button from the left panel. Then select switch accounts option or button below all these options. And here you will see multiple Roblox account if you have added them already. But under that, you see add an account option. Click that, and from here you can sign into an existing account if that is not already added here in this app, or you can create account by clicking this button, create account. And at this screen, select your birthday, type username, password, select gender, and click create account button to create a new account, and that account will also be added here under already listed accounts. So this is how you can add another account in Roblox app. It is very convenient to have multiple accounts in Roblox ready to go instead of logging out and logging in to just use another account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.